Hi guys, I'm Audi. Welcome back to my channel. If you saw my previous video that I had a road trip with my friends, then you should saw this car before. And today let me take you have a listen what does this 2018 Audi S5 sounds like with iPE exhaust system. Before that, let me show you around the car. As you can see, this front, he got this RS grille, which makes car much better. And also with this ABT front spoiler. And this spoiler is really huge, as you can see, and makes front pretty low. And also he got this grille accents with this carbon fiber made by Catback, which is pretty thick as well. And this is a Chinese brand, and this is the same brand that I got on my car with my front spoiler and the rear diffuser. And he also lowered his car, as you can see, with H&R lower spring. And we have a look at the back. As you can see, he got this iPE Catback exhaust system with these blue coat tips, which these tips makes car looks pretty good as well. And also, as you can see the back, he changed the S5 badge, Audi emblems, and with this ABT badge to black, which makes car pretty good as well. And we have a look inside. As you can see, he got this aluminum pedal shifter. This red color matched to his interior, as you can see. And also, he got this Apt carbon fiber knob shifter, which matched to the carbon fiber at the here. I think it's pretty good. I really like this S seat. And with this red stitching, it makes car pretty good. Now we have a look at iPE app that's on your phone. And then we are going to have a listen. We start up the car first. As you can see, if you got iPE exhaust, then you should download this app. Now you just need to open it. And then as you can see, if you connect to your car once, then it will be automatic to connect to your phone. As you can see, this first page, which shows your brand on your car and the area that your brand at. And also the next page is the valve. As you can see here, this is on, and the color will change to green, and this is off. The color will change to the red. And also, as you can see, there are 3 modes that you can set to your car. One is the street sport and the club sport and racing. You can set whatever you like to set on your car when the valves will be open between these 3 modes, and you can set them at the setting. As you can see here, this is for the street sport, and this is for the club sport, and this is for the racing. Now we back to this menu. And also here, this is the next page, which shows the 0 to 100 kilometers and the quarter miles, and this is fuel consumption. And also this is a page for the 0 to 100 individually, and this is quarter mile individually. And also you can see some data from your car as well. In the last page, you can see the speed, RPM, water temperature, fuel pressure, battery, and the exhaust temperature. Now we see here. And then we back to see others. And this is the last 4. As you can see, I don't know why the oil temperature turbo boost and the oil pressure cannot show. And also let me show you this valve control is pretty cool. If you saw my road trip video, then you saw this before. And as you can see, blue color shows the valve is in the auto mode, and you just use your finger to touch it and it will change. This green shows valve in the open mode. And this is the red one. Red one valve is closed. Now we wrap the car with the valve closed. And now we are going to open the valve. You can always really hear the valve is open, and the exhaust is much louder. Now we are going to have a listen from the outside. So how do you guys think the sound of this S5 with iPE Catback exhaust system? Let me know in the comments below. And I think this V6 makes the sound is much solid, and I think it will be much better and louder after he installed the catalyst converter, which my friends already bought it, but he haven't installed it yet because he doesn't want to check engine lights on. And if you guys know any solution to clear the check engine lights, please let me know in the comments below, or send a message to my friend on Instagram, which I will post his Instagram link in the description below. There are lots of mods coming on his car. Please give him a follow on his Instagram. Like when you watching the video right now, he probably already installed the carbon fiber steering wheel, so please check out his Instagram and give him a follow. So this will be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any questions in comments below, and please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram as well. Thank you for your watching. I will see you next video.